morning, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to apply glitter to your eyeshadow look. But before we start, if you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe. So to prep and prime the face, I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier primer. This is perfect for reducing a little bit of oil if you have combination skin like me, and it is also very lightweight. It's one of my favorite primers at the moment. And once I finish that, I'm just gonna go ahead and grab my Black Up concealer. I'm going to be using this as the base for my eyes as usual, and this is just gonna give a nice surface for the eyeshadow. I'm going to be doing more of a neon bright kind of purple, so this is going to be the perfect base for that. So next, I'm going to take my purple from my Morphe Color Burst palette. This purple is so beautiful, but what we're gonna do is just pack it on with the brush. I did not set my concealer because I really want that color payoff. So I'm just building the color and placing it in the outer corner of my eye and also on my crease. And then after that, I'm gonna go ahead and blend everything out. So now that the color is placed on, I'm just going to take a clean brush and begin to just blend the edges and kind of smooth them out. I'm going to be adding more purple to this look, but I kind of just want to get the placement down first. And you know, as you've seen in previous videos, after you pack down the color, as you begin to blend upward, it's going to drag the color, so it's kind of like this gradient faded out look. And all we're doing right now is blowing out the eye and stretching the color, and then we're going to put more color on after we finish blending. So now that I have blended out the colors, I'm going to continue to lay down some more purple. And for this look, it's all about layering. We're gonna layer as much as we can before we add the glitter because we still want the color to show. So now that that's done, I'm gonna add some of this metallic purple in the outer corner. I'm kind of just going to bring it inward. I really love this color. I think it's stunning, and I just want to have a little bit of variety. So I'm gonna also place it where the glitter is going to be, just so that it has a little bit of a reflective element to it in addition to the glitter that we're going to add. So for this method, as I said, you're just gonna continue to pack on the color for colors that are either shimmers or metallics. You would usually take a flat brush and just pack it on so that you can really see the detail. So before I add the glitter, I'm just going to add a little bit of this cream makeup that I have for my MUD palette, and I'm going to put it on the inner corner, very little of it, because we are going to be adding a little bit of neon to this. And for that neon to really show, it's good to have a really solid light base. A lot of people don't really realize that when you use bright neon colors, you have to use either a good base or you have to layer the colors on top of each other so that they really pop. So I'm just gonna use this, and then I'm going to use another brush to kind of blend it out before you place the color. Kind of just blend it in a little bit with the purple so you can't see where it begins. And I'm going to use this neon pink from my Moon Pigments. As you can see, this pink is very, very bright, but with these Moon Pigments, for them to really show, you have to lay something down first. So I'm just gonna add this on the inner corner. As you can see, the color is really showing right now. And I'm going to blend this with another brush. Kind of just like this. And then I'm also going to use some of this from my Moon pigments. This is another color. It's very, very, very bright. So now before I add the glue, I'm going to take my lash glue and I'm just going to place it towards the bottom of my lashes. And then I'm going to take this flat brush and kind of pat it in place. And what you're going to do is try to neatly do this, because what you're doing is making a tacky base so that wherever you want the glitter to go, it will stick, and it won't stick in chunks, and it will deposit evenly. So you kind of just do this. And this prevents the glitter from gathering or being too chunky. Once that's done, you go ahead with your glitter. Today I'm going to be using this beautiful glitter. And you can take that same brush, or a new brush preferably. Tap off the brush and you're kind of just going to place it down right where we just laid down the glue. For something like this, the smaller the brush, the better. So if you decide that you want to do a glitter cut crease or a cut crease with glitter, you can use the duo that comes with the tip like this. And to get those defined lines, you can lay down the glue with the tip. If you need to get a straight line, what I do with looks like this is I make the base tacky with the brush. And then to clean up the edges, I use the tip of this applicator and I just kind of, right where my crease is, draw that perfect shape so that when I open my eyes, the glitter is not gathered right where my crease is and it doesn't make everything feel uncomfortable. And also so that the look just has a more balanced, precise placement. So now I'm just going to dust off all the excess glitter with this clean brush. And if I need to, I can use a wipe or sometimes tape to get anything that's left over. You can also use loose translucent powder to get some of the excess glitter off of your face. Okay, so now the eye is basically done. I'm just gonna go ahead and put on my foundation and then I'll walk you guys through the rest of the steps to complete this look. Today I'm gonna be using these Kiss lashes. Number 2 in Posh. With glittery looks, you want to make sure that the lashes are not too overpowering because you really want to showcase the glitter on your lids. So I made sure that I got something that was a little bit natural, medium length, and that flare out and give enough space so that when people see you, they see the glitter first and not the lashes. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and it's been made easier for you now to put glitter on your eyeshadow looks. It was so fun doing this tutorial with you guys and I can't wait to share more tips and tricks to make your makeup life just a little bit easier. Thanks for watching guys. See you next time.